Be real Jamaicans without them long being in a gear.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away.
I better find your loving.
Guys, good morning. Just out here packing up some stuff from inside the apartment to in the car, and I'll keep updated. I'll make sure my face wash good, cause I woke up, wash my face, brush my teeth, I take my skincare one of them, and jump right into doing what we have to do. So baby, I'm gonna come down with some of the stuff them. See him coming down with some of the stuff them we have pack up. I work hard from morning, you know. I think I work hard from yesterday. And 2 little banana for breakfast. You care banana. Oh, you start eating your banana already? Hey, where's banana this day? Banana have a brown something paddy. My God, if you squeeze up inside, you know, so make a break out back then that's shit, right? I don't like that party. Alright, let me out my trunk, baby. Because let me pass out my trunk first. Oh God. So, what do you call it? Eh? If you know the lover. Oh God. Now the car pack up already. Babe van pack up. But we're actually we're not going to put anything else in the cars for now. We're going to take them out because we're going to go collect the truck from Home Depot. Yeah, I have a key, babe. Yeah, you get a full, it would be full. You would be an accident. So you say a full for the food that you done yesterday? See that inside there, pack up all the way up. I don't think I've ever moved and videotape it as much as this. I did one for Jamaica, but whenever I edit the vlog, I'll give you know. The vlog is still in the old phone. Alright, anyways, that's about a prayer before we move. Amen. Alright guys, so I don't think I've ever really recorded the process of moving like this with you guys, but you know, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I don't think I did an official intro, but I don't know what is what. Anyways, we made it to the other apartment because it's not the same property. It's just a different section of the property that we are moving to. So we're moving to a side with the balcony and the 3-bedroom. Oh God, what I do? Oh, I do cool. You know what throws me over right now? Yo, this is what I'm gonna understand, you know. Somebody, I decided to see shut the world, you know, because yesterday was hot. And you see me in the regular black shirt. That was yesterday. With no jacket in the vlog. That was yesterday. Yesterday did hot. Today, freezing. Right now, freezing. Eh? What's the figure for? Oh, alright. Want to take them out and put them at the door? Yeah. You know what I did? I did this yesterday. We keep leaving the new apartment key down at the old apartment. Oh my God. Hey babe, say. Where the key there? I left the key. We keep doing this. I did it yesterday. I need to leave it in my bag. And me, so go park right here. Alright, they're pretty close to the red van, but I'm gonna van like off the camera. I'll be right back. I had to go back for the keys and I just grabbed something on my hand again. Anyways, let's park again. We just did this, now we have to do it again. My brain a connect, you know. I ever be forgetting stuff, things, ever be forgetting things. Alright, people, we talk. Watch, babe, like I'm analyze Offie, open the door. Yo, what a day to be moving. My nose that burn me. How it feel? In hour. No, it's a good I can't tell what I do. My finger them a bust up. Eh.
Me in there driving, I look and say, why if you press now, God? Once you don't panic, say press. You know, say press, but you sure.
Automatic or?
You sure? No. You have to press the button with gear change.
What, manual?
Yeah, basically that. But you don't have to move nothing in a place. You just press one button and the gear change.
But you can't drive manual.
Well, me I drive it, so.
Oh, so it's in that remote like it a room?
Yeah, remote, I say, when I'm change and then me have to look for you, see.
Oh, okay. We'll come at the store for a quick errand. Not cool. So, baby's in this in front of me. So we have the dresser. The first stop is going to pick up the dresser from Wayfair, but Wayfair opens at 10 and it's now 9:37. So I'm going to use the time to walk up and down in Burlington and Ross because they are both at the same place. So yeah, they're both at the same place. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, people, make it on the posted. Alright guys, so this is what we have going on so far. These stuff in the truck. So I think they're gonna put one more piece and then carry them up and come back. My car is filled with all the small stuff like these stuff. Like, listen, you'll be surprised how much things I have in such a short time. My God. I don't know why this is so yellow. Hold on. Hi guys, so we literally moved majority of the stuff them into the apartment, and we are just, well, I'm here to just open the doors. But for this bedroom, the dresser made it. The dresser that I bought in Wayfair, it made it. That one, it fell out, so when Odin was transporting it, so it broke a bit. He said he's gonna try to fix it. Honestly, yeah. But the dresser is here, so just to get a bed and mattress for this room. I already have those in my Amazon cart. So yeah, so this everything there. So the machine, the washer and the dryer, they're gonna come up now, and that's basically it. So the dining table and everything come up already. Yes, so I'll keep you guys posted or whatever. I'm right here. I am looking really busted. Honestly, I can't wait to get the decor going in this place. But yeah, let's open the door. Them I come. Me hear the nice. Guys, okay. You know, one of the favorite stores in Burlington, and don't come at me. I was looking to see if they get new stock, but I guess if they had new stocks, it's all gone. In here it's the same thing. The same thing that people know. I eat left back. So there's nothing new. I've seen all of these. I just grabbed this tray though that I can put in one of the bathrooms. I'm not sure which one. Yeah. So that's what's up. I love these two big pieces. Them nice, see? How much for them here? I don't see a price on it. We have such a big dining area. I don't know how. Like, I need a big piece to put on the wall. I want to go back. I want to go into the black tones. I don't want to do the brown, like nothing like them there. Yeah. Guys, the fact that I haven't had two bathrooms, I want to get two of these new shower rods because the style that I have, the apartment does come with it, but the style that I have, I'm gonna need two new ones. So that is why I picked up these. Yeah, I had picked up this, but I don't need it. Like, hold on, Lord God, hold on. I had picked up this, but I don't need this. I don't need this. I won't be needing this. It's not the I'm gonna put things from this to decor. So I'm gonna just get one hot wall art and put it on the wall instead of this. So actually I can put back this. I'm gonna put back this. Hold on. I love these. These are so nice. I'm gonna get these. I wish there was like a smaller piece to put right in the middle right here. Because I'm gonna limit my countertop to like colors, to being too packed, like, you know. I want it to be a bit smaller when it comes on to, like, you know, kind of more condensed, but I don't want to have too much things on it. So I want to grab this. What did it say? Why? This is a scripture, but me can't understand. What does it say? I don't know what it is. I would change out my stuff, the spoon thing, but bendecida. What did it say? Anybody who speaks Spanish, tell me what it say. Hold on, what did it say? I want one cute one like that, but I don't want that, I don't know what that say. Sorry. Hey, the people, them out for the spring cleaning, you know, section of the year, because why is the kitchen section so empty? So empty. Alright. Let's go looking. Hey, I might put on into perfume and I'm not sure. I don't really have anything as perfume, so may I try build on a little collection, you know. Guys, while I'm shopping for home, I'm shopping for luggages. Hey, the juicy pepper bag game so cute. It's so nice. That's $60 for the wash. Alright, I'm gonna need a rug, but what are the prices for the rugs inside here? It's $50. How big is this rug? I wonder how big is that rug. Color kind of dark still, so I wouldn't want to have that dark color, and I want to have something that's opening the space. Let me see this. Oh God, no sir, I be one to say sorry, I'm not sure. That's $50 too. Is there a rug that's cheaper? Oh my God, you say you're moving, like everything is just so different, because I have to be looking everything that I did not have. Literally everything I did not have. This rug, I don't like the brown in it. I mean, look another with the brown in there. This rug is too much black. But this rug is not bad. This one not bad. This not look bad at all. You know, look bad. Alright, I could do Ross. Come in, I want to buy nothing over here. And then when I go to Ross, I'm like, look, I'm going to buy a Burlington. Because they're so close. So I'll just come back. I'll come back over here if I have to. Alright, this one is 29. What's the measurement of it? 54. This looks little. Look pretty small. I'm not sure. Yeah. Alright, could grab a eraser and then we'll go rest. I might grab these, but I might order 2 pillow covers on Amazon, black and white. So I make them have a pillow fillers. Let's see. Guys, look at this dresser for $75. Look at this dresser for $75. Never pay for this right now. It was $94. No, it's $75. $75. I'm gonna pay for this right now. Excuse me, hold on. So I just got it. It's $75. The thing about Wayfair warehouse, you might find things that have a little problem, but when you're Caribbean, you can fix it yourself because they give you the screws inside. So it's just the wheel part that needs to fix. $75. I don't play. That's why I don't rush coming in here. I take my jolly little time to grab what I want to grab. I take my jolly little time in this store. This lamp is $29. But one the part messed up. Oh, this is up on the extra discount. Why? This light is nice, but I have some stain on it. How would I get the stain off? It's extra 30% off. How would I get the stain off? I don't want to buy no one. Me have to go home, go fight war with it. How would I get the stain off? That's my problem. Yeah. If I go war with it, I don't want it. That the time I go war with it, come up and figure out to get the stain off it. Extra. It's just 66. It's a bit short. It's a bit short. I always like these type of this is $36. Watch out. Hey, don't play with me. Hold on there. This is $36 and I will be taking an additional 30% off this. But me don't want this. I need this. Mega buy this. Mega grab this. This is make sure you have a little stain upon the bottom me, you know. I went mega reach home. I have to go clean the other apartment, but this is $36, guys. This is nice. Mega buy this. Let me take the picture. I have to take a picture of it for them scan it. Let me hear how much I check it myself to do. Okay, I just did so many hours in Wayfair. No mind me head, it look mad. I think I'm gonna get this pulled out. Woo! Oh my god, Wayfair got the whole fatigue for hold on for my pocket. Mafia hold on for my pocket. But I found this let me show you. I found this cute little gold. I need to get home before 2 o'clock. I found this cute little gold soap butter that I can put in the guest bathroom. So all the things are going. There's so many things in here that I took some pictures of that I would like to go home and see if I need it, where it would fit, and like how it look and whatever before I grab it up. Because I don't want to buy it, I'm gonna really want it. You understand? I'm gonna buy it as excess thing because I see it look cheap and whatever. What the lady ever gonna say that about him? You wanna see the lady? What about her? Which direction you got that lady? If me do want to see the girl that do her bottom again, feel a little loud. Why should I go to her bottom? Well, we coming out, I know. Anyways, yeah. So I saw this. Look here, so much things missing. You see, new place come with what for spending. Now with me can't roll easy. If me see it, me can't like. I'm so excited. Last night me not sleep with them. Last night me not sleep. Why me not sleep? Me not too excited. It look like too excited upon Amazon till after almost 1 o'clock this morning. Order a few stuff. Then when I finally ready decide so I go sleep. Can't sleep. My sleep already gone out of me, so it took me like an hour and so to fall back asleep. And then it was so hard to really stay in my sleep. If I hear nobody hard to stay that they sleep, I look for that spot right there. Hard to stay in my sleep. Me say. Then this morning I woke up to go bathroom. Couldn't go back to sleep. I go in on the phone and I say, you know what, I'm gonna try to take a sleep before the sun come out now because I know that today gonna be a long day. Alright, see, couldn't go back to sleep. Let's get up and edit one vlog. The vlog I'm not gonna see, but I do the clothing all, you know. That vlog. What is chop? I said chop. Let me just Mr. Chow, let me just edit the vlog or whatever. Anyways, we're gonna go in a Ross, then we're gonna go Walmart, go see if we can exchange the suitcase, get back or whatever we do, and then we have to go back to the place because we have to go back to the apartment, go clean or whatever because the people that want to help them move tomorrow. We're gonna do that tomorrow. So I have to get this done today. So I have to cut all of the shop. I have to reach home by 2 o'clock. It's 12:36. I'm just there, Ross. I don't know. Ross might take a while because if you am, it's early, so hopefully they have stuff. The shop are they not come out yet. Hopefully. So guys, I'm now in Ross and I want to do this green color. What's this color called? I don't know. This color for the spring. This green. What was it? Sage green. I'm gonna do the sage green for the spring holiday. So I am getting this. I don't want this one. This one just a little bit too basic. It's cheaper, but a little bit too basic. I'm gonna do the sage green for like my inner colors to mix with my nudes and my white. Yeah, I'm a black. Yep. So I'm gonna do the sage green. So I got the tablecloth there. And I'm looking if Ross has any big wall art. But there's still nothing in here. And they look bare. And they kinda look bare a bit. This has a lot of volume to it, but I $50 for. Oh my god, shop it, look at it. Better though, like the thing I shop I can do everything no one because it's gonna be very pricey. But that would be nice for the dining area. The big thing upon the wall. You know, make a buy this big one. Like you have color in there, have gold, you have white, it just I like how it feel, you know, have the black in there, but it has a color that will pop the space. I like this. It's $50, but megabyte. Who travels with a white luggage? The white suitcase are pretty. For $40. It's nice. But who travels with white suitcase? Well, it's a carry-on, so I have control over it. Not true. Oh my god, who well, funny not going there plane, I think it can't work. What do you think? Yeah. Okay guys, this is gonna be a very big haul. As I told you guys, I wanted to use this color, so I'm approaching to using this color. So I have this big painting right here, but I couldn't bring it in my hand. It's so big because it's hung over the cart and it got all the way at the bottom. But this is gonna be a pretty big haul because I think I got some. Yeah, I did got some stuff in Burlington. Right now, me woo because I'm so hungry. Is that my brain now function well? So I'm not even remember to me buy it. So I'm pretty sure this bill is gonna be like $200. I'm pretty sure, or it's close to $200. Yeah, so that's what's up. Guys, I'm in Walmart trying to find a vacuum. I had saw some online, but when I stem in here, but then them so little and thing there. So I'm thinking about to get the dirt devil. Why if I have the name there? But it looks like it's the best one to be in a good quality one. So I'm not sure because I had, but this is a smaller one. How much is the smaller one here? But the one that look like more expensive. That is high performance. That is. What didn't look like that? What did it say? Grab and go. What the one that is? The one here. What the one that is? Hold on, people. Which one is? Oh, I hate this. How much is the one here? Look at this, the one. Power Max. Oh, yeah. I Power Max. I don't know how much for this. BD Power Max. Yeah. 57. Alright, maybe I get one here. Because when they pick up the one here, them liquor one here, but they're not no use. They pick up them here, but them are not good. One liquor sitting also. All right, I say you can pull it off and clean like couch or like vacuum the couch or whatever. Master, me have one so you can none of that. No. Alright, let's what else me need? Oh, Mr. Now get the cleaning agent them in here instead of a dollar store. We have a dollar store. We might be going to the dollar store, but let's make this quick to show you. Because I'm tired. I'm tired bad. One them back here for help me so something. You know. It's just a cleaning solution for the toilet that I see a lot of people talking about. The Miracle Clean Cream Cleaner. Is it good? I've seen it on the internet, but I don't know what's the like result it gives. Like toilet cleaner for me. That's what I think. I should try it. Hours later, and I'm still on the road. Thank you. Camera looks so. Guys, it says I'm on. Give me 1 second. Thank you. It says I'm going to reach home by 2:30. Almost 4 o'clock. Almost 4 o'clock. And I'm so tired. I didn't call because I said, Mr. I want to go clean up on this and that. And you're not coming. Okay, shopping. How's you doing? I'm here for you. Why? Hey man, where they catch up the blasted fries? And that me not like with them, you know. They don't get ketchup if you not ask for you. I can't do for today, but I'm tired. I still want to catch up, man. Alright guys, so I bought these containers in the dollar store, and I bought them just for organizational purposes because over where we're coming from, nobody really organized around the cabinet and stuff. So instead of just having everything throw down, I'm gonna like put them in trays like that, you know, just keep it more organized. So under then I just, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm in the bathroom and listen, this apartment kind of easy to start out because I'm just organizing the stuff, putting them back under the cupboard where they were, and now I'm just kind of making more organized by using the trays because you know it kind of all over the place. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with these cabinets because I'm not going to keep them like this. I got my Amazon orders. So yeah, now I pack out the soap and the sanitary napkin and take up some of them stuff here. The extra bedroom is going to be the room where I do all my hair and everything. So like, you know, like my rollers and my stuff, I can put them around here. We would not be real Jamaicans without them long bathing rag here. We would not be. When Johnny did that come up, I tell her, I said, hey, can one pack of them rag for me? It's like, it's not normally like we're not really to me. It's not normally like a fave, something way. Like, you know, a Jamaican would always usually, no, but like the bathing rag over here, the rag that what we used to be in, they're kind of like, you know, small and whichever way, which me never problem. Me don't know. I guess me don't know. Me really don't have a excuse, but at the time, I think my baby rag didn't feel like them just too thin and them finish too quick. So, I say, hey, Johnny scared some of this for me, and she bought one bag. So I have a whole heap to serve me for a pretty long time. A pretty long time. So I just organize them to put them away. So yes.
You got 24